Hello friends, do you know that how to study well and to become a topper? Don't worry about it. In this video, we are giving 6 tips and tricks to study well and to become a topper. Now welcome to my channel Create Your Study. Now let's get started. Number 1. Promodora Technique. Promodora means tomato. Promodora is a method for staying focused and mentally fresh. Step 1. Pick a task. Step 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Step 3. Work on your task until the timer is up. Step 4. Take a 5-minute break after your timer ends. Step 5. Repeat 4 times. After 4 times, take a long break and enjoy. Number 2. The power of multi-source. You can study a topic in multi-sources like flashcards and by mind map and also by reading it aloud. You can also watch video based on the particular topic. Researchers say that by reading in multi-sources help our brain to remember things for a long time. Number 3. Choose your active time to study. Yes, we all have a particular brain active time. Some may have morning daytime and some may have night time. Choose your study time and start to study. Number 4. The power of hands. After reading a particular topic, try to write it in your own words and also mark the important points which you have studied in the class. This helps our brain to remember things for a long time. Number 5. Have a good sleep. A good sleep is must. So sleep well up to 6 to 8 hours. Number 6. Study planner. For this, take a piece of paper, mention all the things you have to do, write your subjects you want to study and also mention the timing. After finishing your task, cross it out. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.